Exponea Recommendations. In particular, Exponea Recommendations for your email campaigns. Exponea Recommendations leverage all customer and catalog data to find the most suitable items for each individual customer in a given situation. Let's see how it works in practice. For instance, in this email, I can see a simple thank you note that I have received from a team, Start Lab, with nothing else in the project. This means that when I receive an email, it has a certain drawback, that it doesn't encourage me to join a particular campaign or to invest or spend more money. What you can do compared to that is to create a recommendation based on what I have done on the website and what information you have, and then pitch that to a customer. So for instance, if the website knows that I'm interested in a particular style of wrestling, it will recommend this particular thing to buy. So let's go on how this works in Exponea. In recommendations, you can create a new one and see a lot of different ways how to create them. Those are simple templates we offer for you, but you can use the advanced option if you want to click out all of them. For instance, for an email, I can create this one. Customers who bought this item also brought this one. So if I click on it, first thing I'm going to select in every single recommendation template is the catalog. If you don't know much about catalogs, we recommend going through our documentation. Here, you will simply select a catalog of all your customer or your products available. So for instance, I'm going to be taking catalogs from the articles that we have. I can also filter them thoroughly. And then I have to select the purchase event, which is based on the data mapping in my particular project. I will also select the learning window, which defines whether or not, what is the time from which it's going to learn. So if in case I don't want to learn from all the information I have, because let's say customer data changed or there are new website patterns, etc., I'm interested in a shorter window. Fourth, I can select the blacklist. So in case I don't want to show our customers something in particular, for instance, if I don't want to show something they've already seen, I will define it right here. And lastly, customer preferences. So if there is something in particular that I want to narrow down by a certain event or an attribute, I can select it here. After clicking all of this, I'll be able to see a particular HTML block, a particular code that I can insert in my campaigns into a scenario or email campaign. And then from that, I can create a personalized Jinja code, which will serve as a great way for me or for your company to send an email based on the personalization available. We recommend going through our advanced course on Exponea, which will teach you more about recommendations and their deployment, their analyses, etc. But for now, this is the way you would use your customer data and your catalog information to then recommend products based on individual needs and interests.